So it's important for homeowners to have tune-ups done at their houses on their residential HVAC equipment. Some of the things that we look at whenever we come out on an indoor unit, we'll check drain lines to make sure that we're not clogged up and backing up any kind of water. We'll change out filters, make sure that we've got new filters put in. We'll also check blower motor, which is inside the equipment, making sure that it's pushing air as it should be through the system. We'll also do some split temperature to make sure that we're cooling off that air as much as we should be whenever we come out and take a look at all the equipment. And that's just some of the things that we kind of look at whenever we come out. We've also got to take a look at the outdoor equipment, so we'll make our way out there and take a look at it. So now we're at the outdoor unit. We've got a few things that we like to look at out here. One of the main things we're looking at is on these gauges here, we're looking at refrigerant pressures to make sure that we've got proper refrigerant moving through the system. We've got a few electrical components that we like to test out here to make sure that they're running as they should be. Compressor, fan motor, anything that we come across that may have any kind of deficiencies, or even if they're running fine, we'll put it together into a checklist for our customer. Once we've completed both indoor and outdoor checklists, we'll turn around and send over that checklist to our customers, and they're usually good to go.